Hey everyone, this is Abbas coming to you live from the unboxing zone here at GITEX Shopper 2018. Now you can probably hear the noise around us. I apologize for that if my conversation isn't very clear, but a lot of people around here, lots happening over here. So what do I have here today? I've got the Huawei MateBook X Pro. It is one of the products that I've really been looking forward to testing it out. It might end up being my favorite product from our unboxing this GITEX, so let's go ahead and check this out. Now it's a laptop for anyone who doesn't know. It's Huawei's flagship laptop. It's got all the specs that you can think of, like all the high-end specs that you'd want in a gorgeous design. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is a brand new unit. It's being launched here at GITEX Shopper 2018. Let me just go ahead and remove that. So let's keep the laptop aside for a second and let's have a look at what's going inside here. Looks like the power. We have the power cable. It's got a USB Type-C port on here. Stickers, packing list, charger, and what do we have here? Let's go ahead and open this. So there's a quick start guide over here. I'm going to keep that aside. There's a Type-C cable as well, which goes into the charger as well as the laptop to power. Let's put that aside and let's come to the laptop itself. So this is the laptop. Beautiful device. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm holding it wrong. That's why. There we go. Now, this is a laptop. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm going to see if there's any battery on it to power it up to show you the full view display is what Huawei calls it. It's a 14-inch screen, almost a 14-inch screen with a 3000 by 2000 resolution, so super high res. This particular model's got a Core i7. It comes with a Core i5 as well. This one's got 16 gigs of RAM. You've got an 8 gig version as well, and this one's got 512 gigabytes of storage, NVMe SSD. It's going to be blazing fast. Again, there's a model with a 256 gigabyte storage as well, if that's what you want. Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll need to charge it to play around with it. Gorgeous device. It's got a dedicated GPU. It's the NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 with 2 GB of dedicated RAM, so you can do some light video editing or light gaming on this as well. Looking at the ports, you've got 2 USB Type-C ports and a headphone jack on this side, and you have a USB Type-A port on this side. So this is the Huawei MateBook X Pro. Probably one of the best laptops you can buy right now. This has been our unboxing video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. You can see us right here at GITEX Shopper 2018.